A Muslim majority area awarded to India during partition is Firozpur. War of Mysore was fought during the period of Tipu Sultan. A woman who was fighting in 1857 War of Independence is Rani Jhansi. D8 is a group of Muslim countries. Lapi is the coastal city of Syria. You cannot open your personal account in the State Bank of Pakistan. Which picture is printed on the back of 5,000 rupees is Faisal Mosque. Name the Mughal emperor who died in 1707 is Aurangzeb. Kanjir Lake is situated in the district of Thata. Total seats of National Assembly of Pakistan are 342. Women seats in National Assembly is 60. Which Muslim ruler sacked Delhi in 1739 is Nader Shah. Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913. Next one. Present Constitution Assembly of Pakistan is 14th. Pakistan joined NAM in 1979. Ban Ki-moon is the national of South Korea. Nawaz Sharif first tenure was started from 1988. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1973 to 1977. What is Wikipedia? This is an online encyclopedia. Guantanamo Bay prison is in Cuba. Ricky Ponting is a cricket player of Australia. Madagascar is in Africa. Lionel Messi is a football player. The coldest place of Pakistan is Skardu and the coldest city of Pakistan is Ziyarat. Taksim Square is present in Istanbul. Founder of Jihad movement is Sayyid Ahmed Shaheed. What is the capital of Ethiopia? That is Addis Ababa. Mount Blanc mountain is present in France. Sakal Sarmast poet belong from which province? That is from Sindh. Tahzibul Ahlak was published by Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. The court called to person in law is called summons, which is not a primary color, that is yellow. Maximum calories has fats. Who invented the steam locomotive? That is by Stephenson. Insulin is produced by pancreas. Short-sighted can see clearly distant objects. Next one, remission system means decrease imprisonment. What is the antonym of contract? That is expand. What is the antonym of gradual? That is sudden. What is the capital of Sudan? That is Khartoum. Which is the capital of France? That is Paris. Mother Teresa was born in Albania. Which Mughal emperor built Badshahi Mosque? That is by Aurangzeb Alamgir. The famous book The Origin of Species written by Charles Darwin. Firazi movement was founded by Haji Sharaitullah. How many jails are present in Punjab? 32. The Kabina mission announced their plan on 14th May 1946, which are responsible for blood clotting, that is platelets. Big Ben, a huge clock, was installed at British Parliament in 1859. Who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. Who presided over the Shimla Conference in 1945, that is by Lord Wavell. The Nobel Prize for Peace is given in the city of Oslo. Which is the largest gland in the human body? That is liver. The world's largest island is Greenland. European Court of Justice is based in Luxembourg. Which of the following is the oldest barrage? That is Sakhar. The World Cup Cricket 2017 will be played in West Indies. The Lighthouse of Alexandria is among the 7 wonders of the world, located in Egypt. The term of office of Judge of International Court of Justice is 9 years. The world's largest natural gas producer country is Russia. World's largest glacier is Lambert Glacier. McMahon Line is a boundary between China and India. The world's oldest national anthem is of Japan. Which city is situated at the highest altitude? That is La Paz. First meeting of Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was held on 10th August 1947. Next one, Raja Gid is written by Bano Qudsiya. Raja Gid is a book, that is novel is written by Bano Qudsiya. Tulub Islam is written by Allama Iqbal, who won the Lenin Prize, that is by Faiz Ahmed Faiz in 1962. Who is known as Awami poet of Urdu? That is Nazir Akbar Abadi, Al-Abadi. What are total Sahahi Sitta books? These are 6. Tadweenul Quran was started during Khilafat period of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Which prophet name is most time mentioned in Quran? That is Hazrat Musa alayhi salatu wasalam. Baitul Muqaddas was conquered during Khilafat of Hazrat Umar. First revelation came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is in cave of Hira. Chacha Chakkan was written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. The Bolshevik Revolution is associated with Russia. Nelson Mandela was the president of South Africa. Niagara Falls are situated in between USA and Canada. Headquarters of World Economic Forum is situated in Davos, which was the first Ghazwa of Islam, that is Abwa. Greenwich is situated near the city of London. Who was the last viceroy is Lord Mountbatten. What day is observed internationally on 5 October is Teacher Day. Name the city which is seat of UNO International Court of Justice, that is Hague. Constitution of All India Muslim League was drafted by a committee in 1907 that is headed by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. The Hindu has launched Swadeshi movement to boycott English-made goods in the wake of partition of Bengal in 1905. What was the significance of 21st annual session of All India Muslim League? That was Allama Iqbal delivered Allahabad address, under which act the Muslim demand of separate electorate was first conceded by the British government. This is Minto Morley Reforms 1909. Who was the Viceroy of India from 1889 to 1905, that is Lord Curzon. Wadia Mandir scheme of Congress rule from 1937 to 1939, that is related to education. Which of the following leader helped Quaid-e-Azam in the preparation of 14 points in 1929? That is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Under Gandhi Environment Pact, March 1931, it was decided that the Congress will discontinue its civil disobedience movement. Who announced the communal award in 1932? That is Sir Ramsay MacDonald. To whom Lord Wavell succeeded as Governor General of India in 1943? That is Lord Linlithgow. The All India Muslim League rejected the Wavell Plan of 1945 because it did not give League the sole right to nominate the Muslim member in the Executive Council. Identify the person who took part in the all three round table conference from 1930 to 1932. The person name is Sir Zafarullah Khan. The head of the Boundary Commission for Demarcation of Borders between India and Pakistan was Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Identify the Secretary of State for India who led the Kabina mission in 1946. The person named A.V. Alexander. Which of the following is the largest metal? That is lithium. The element present in the largest amount in the rocks and minerals is hydrogen. Hydrogen is also present in all kind of acids. Next one, which form of phosphorus is used in the safety matches? That is red phosphorus. Next one, Renaissance. Renaissance is a period of revival or rebirth of learning. A Magna Carta is a historical document curing the king's power. Insulin is secreted by pancreas. Electric current is measured by ammeter. Which synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk? That is rayon. Which of the following metal was first discovered by man? That is copper. Which of the following gases is lighter than air? That is ammonia. Washing soda with its common name is sodium carbonate. Who wrote the Communist Manifesto? That is by Karl Marx. To which of the following countries did Karl Marx belong? He belonged to Germany. Crusade were religious wars by European Christians to liberate the Holy Land. Next one, which of the following is not a United Nations agency? The International Committee of Red Cross is not a member of United Nations agency. The parliament seat of International Court of Justice is located at The Hague. Which of the following United Nations agency is concerned with the welfare of children throughout the world? That is UNICEF. The term of office of a judge of the International Court of Justice is for 9 years. Red Cross was founded by J.H. Durant. Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park of 1900 megawatt capacity is being established in Bahawalpur. Homer was a great poet of Greek. Who was the first human space traveler? The person name, she is Yuri Gagarin. Who pioneered the modern nursing system? That is by Florence Nightingale. Fire Temple is a place of worship of Paris. In which year did the modern Olympics Games take place? In 1896, Athens. Swaddling Cup is associated with the game of table tennis. The Indus Valley civilization was famous for well-planned cities, effective civic organization, and progress of art and architecture. Next one, who was the first lady prime minister of world? Her name is Simirabo Bandaranaike from Sri Lanka. Martin Luther King Jordan was a black United States civil rights leader. Dr. Abdul Salam was Nobel Prize winner in the field of physics. Parcel Island in South China Sea are disputed between China and Vietnam. The only tribal agency of FATA does not share a border with Afghanistan is Orkazi. Headquarter of Gulf Cooperative Council is located at Riyadh. Pakistan purchased Gwadar in 9 September 1958 from Oman. Pakistan shares its common border with China. The length is 523 km. Landi Kotal is an important town of Khyber Agency. Strait of Malacca is a narrow 805 km stretch of water between Malaysia and Indonesia. Malala Yousafzai is the youngest Nobel Prize winner in the world. She won this prize at the age of 17 years. In which year category? The largest number of women won the Nobel Prizes so far in peace. Pakistan coastline is 1,4600 km. Identify the first woman ambassador person of Punjab. Her person name is Dr. Meera Palibas. Pakistan permanent representative in the United Nations is Maliha Lodi. Next one, the similar meaning of acrimonious is bitter. The similar meaning of demise is death. The similar meaning of turpitude is repulsiveness. The similar meaning of nebulous is not clear. The similar meaning of nostalgic is homesick. Fill in the blanks. There is a limit to everything in life. Let us make up our differences. You ought to be abide by this decision. I was amazed at his behavior. He has great lust for wealth. Next one, the right meaning for foreign phrases. Cul-de-sac, its meaning is a passage with one outlet. Per se, its meaning is in itself. Prima facie, its meaning is at first view. Status quo, the same state as before. Sine die, its mean indefinitely. Next one, by which year the Islamic zakat system being enforced and implemented in exact 9 Hijri. In which surah of Holy Quran, the list of the beneficiaries of zakat has been specifically given in Surah Toba. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was signed in 6 Hijri. Ghazwa Tabuk was happened in 9 Hijri. How many surah of Holy Quran contain? That is 114. इस मुहावरे का क्या मीनिंग है? 3-5 करना, इसका मतलब है तकरार करना। चलते हो तो चीन चलिए, ये किसकी तसनीफ है? इब्ने इंशा की। किस शायर को बच्चों का शायर कहा जाता है? इस्माइल मिल्ठी को। अल्लामा इकबाल की पहली उर्दू नज़म कौन सी है? हिमाला। उर्दू के पहले अफसाना निगार किनको कहा जाता है? प्रेमचंद को।